Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the app and devices ready. Now start by choosing Krisp as your microphone. Open the app, sign in, and grant any OS audio permissions so Krisp can access devices. Select your physical mic from Krisp's device menu, then toggle microphone noise cancellation on. Once done, route your conferencing app to use Krisp Microphone as the input. This immediately removes background noise before you join calls and prevents echo by separating the processing from your app. Next, configure both sides. Enable speaker noise cancellation and set Krisp as your output device in the call application. This filters incoming background noise. Adjust the noise removal strength. Start at medium and raise to high only if distant noise persists, because too much reduction can dull your voice. Use voice recognizer or the built-in echo cancellation if you notice feedback. Once set, map a keyboard shortcut for instant mute or toggle. That speeds control during live conversations and prevents accident. To finish, run a test call and listen for clarity while watching Krisp's activity indicators. If voices sound muffled or distorted, reduce the noise removal level or switch to low, because overfiltering causes artifacts. If Krisp isn't showing audio, restart the app and your conferencing software, then reselect Krisp devices in both. One key tip: if problems persist, toggle hardware permissions in your OS sound settings and reinstall drivers. That resolves device conflicts that block Krisp's processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.